And folks, let me tell you what just went down, right? So we're gonna cook these vegetables that she chopped up the other night. We're gonna stir fry it. We didn't have any chicken or anything laid out. I said, hey, I'll just go get a couple cans of tuna. Just stir fry it, you know, a little tuna and vegetable medley to put over the rice. We needed some oyster sauce. And I wanted to pick up a couple beers. So before she was, hey, son,
put that in there.
Hey, relinquish the vegetable, son. It's a private residence, man. Yeah, dude, you got your chips. Anyhow, so before she was playing in this swimming pool over here. Now apparently we've already lost pressure on the top rung. Folks, these little pools, they don't last long. They don't last long because I got two babies. They're in there jumping on it. What I got to do, I got to come up with either a big old wash tub, or like my mom said, go get one of them cattle troughs, you know, one of them metal galvanized cattle troughs if I can find it, just to have for them to have a little swimming pool. I'm tired of buying these things. They just don't last long. And admittedly, they're rough on them. But anyhow, so Forrest G, this dude was swimming. I said, all right, I'll go up to the store, no problem. And I said, hey, just put the boys some clothes on. I'll take the kids with me. She's like, both of them? Honey, don't run away. We got to discuss this. She said, but both of them? I said, yes, both of them. Now, every day, this woman goes up to the store with both children. But for some reason, baby, you have no confidence in the father's ability to take two babies up to the sorry store? But it's okay for you? So, no, let me tell you what happened. She throws some clothes on Forrest G. I told Maria, hey, throw your shoes on, let's go. So we take off, right? She's over there out in the street, you know, like looking and waving. Maria's like, what, you know, Mama Tima coming? I'm like, no, we're just, the three of us are going. So she's out in the street looking. Finally, she goes back in. We walk all the way up there to the store. You know, and I found the tuna pretty quick. And I was like, hey, where's the oyster sauce? I found that anyhow. So I'm in there looking for a couple more items. There was one lady in there. And then I look up. After being in the store for 5 minutes. And who do I see? I see this one right here. I see this one right here standing there in the store. And I said, what are you doing here? You mean to tell me that you truly think I'm incapable of going to the store with the babies and coming back? All right, so that was like my initial thought, right? And she said, oh, you know, Forrest G is usually rowdy because he wants the chips or what have you. So we're in there. Now, all of a sudden, she comes up with an extra 200 pesos. Now, she sent me to the store with all the money we had, but she shows up with an extra 200 pesos. And she starts grabbing these other things and other items. And then, as it comes down to the wire, what'd you want? You wanted those fish crackers?
I saw it.
Honey, I don't think that at that point, I didn't think your motivation was to come check on me to check on the babies. You started thinking about them damn fish crackers, and you brought yourself up there to that sorry store so you could get them fish crackers.
I think Forrest G, no, because I know Forrest G.
Honey, no, I think you came up there to get them damn fish crackers.
No, and I already saw that. I told you just get your beer. When I look at my back, I saw the fish cracker, so I want to get that because that's my favorite. If I'm not going there, you don't have beer. 3 beer.
You were sitting here and you started thinking about them damn fish crackers, and you went there and got that money and came up there. No. Okay, Maria. All right, we got most of the spices out. Can you put that in a basura for Papa? Thank you. Ooh, we got tomatoes in here that are no good, sweetie.
Tomatoes?
Yeah, the tomatoes are already no good. Put that basura for Papa, please. Thank you.
Tomato.
Yeah, the tomato is old. Yeah, we let it stay in here too long. And Mama put her, oh my gosh, she put that bugger on in here. Oh, honey, you're gonna clean out my cooler, please. And you're gonna get that bugger on out of my cooler. And never, ever in the history of us being together, ever put bugger on in my beloved cooler anymore. Honey, just don't put the bugger on in here, and don't put the bugger on in my beer cooler. Honey, I don't think it's unreasonable for a man to have his beer cooler in pristine condition. Folks, got teamwork going on over here, cleaning out Papa's cooler. All right, wonderful. Good job, baby. Now, she wanted to put this can of sardines in there, but I'm trying to eat too. So I said, nah, I can't do that, baby. You save that big can of sardines. And folks, if you didn't see the last video, this is a huge can of sardines I bought for 58 pesos. I went big on, hey, relinquish the vegetables, boy. This little extra grate here, so we're just setting them aside. Oh, thank you. All right. Oh yeah. Going with this big daddy here. That's too much for the 3.2 quart. All right, let's come over here. Flood tube 2. Folks, this week I got to refill tube 1. So I got the multiple burners set up back on. Again, these tanks will last just months. If you're using this burner, months. This one, I don't know, probably half the time, because it puts out so much more heat, so much more BTUs. But if you're just using one of those little things, folks, what is this, 15 bucks? Will last for months. Oh, bam. Whew. I just can't get it right.
You put this? This is so spicy.
Baby.
No.
Just put that in the cooler. Okay.
Put in your...
Just put it back in my cooler. Alright? Stop complaining. Alright, you got 2 choices. Either love it or love it. That's it.
Stop it, right?
Hey, open up this pepper right here. I can't get to the pepper here. Oh my God. What's going on here? Stuff I'm under, folks. A bit of sesame oil. How much? A little few shakes of a lamb's tail. Wife number 2 over here gonna get them tuna cans, baby. Get it! Get it, baby! Oh my goodness, you're gonna have to make me do it one-handed. Gordon Ramsay can't do what I can do one-handed. Holding the GoPro. Oh shoot! Look at that! Look at the strength. Probably just sliced my finger open. Alright, look, I'm not playing around. This is an oil. Let's get it. Tell you what, if I ever had a film crew, my show would be more popular than Gordon Ramsay, Anthony Bourdain, all them dudes. Paula Dean. Look at this. A gourmet meal and a can of tuna. Get out of there. Well, Vanna White, go ahead and open up that. What is this, a pork or a chicken cube?
Pork.
Open it up for us, baby. Throw it in there.
Mixed chicken, pork.
I said 2, she said 1. Okay, throw it in there, Dawn. Boom! We're gonna go ahead with a little tuyo, a little bit of soy sauce here. Not too. All right, so the GoPro just cut off on me for some reason. It's just typical GoPro shit. You gotta make sure the damn thing is running. I'll put some soy sauce in there, and then I'll go with the oyster sauce. Oh, I didn't mean to do that last shake, but whatever. Makes it delicious. Damn GoPro overheated, shut down on me. GoPros are not reliable, folks. So what do? Pull out the iPhone 12 mini, go back to work. It has to sit over here and cool off. It's a problem. What not tastes good, baby?
The beer.
The beer? Did you try to drink my beer? Don't be drinking my beer. Listen, I don't want a woman who drinks.
Cauliflower.
And folks, there's your finished product right there. Baby, that's done. Look, see how that cauliflower, it's done. The carrots are...
Nope.
It's all right, it's fine. Carrots can be a little bit firm because you can eat carrots raw. It ain't no big deal. So the carrot...
Or just eat that.
He'll eat the heck out of the carrots. If you're a young male in America, first thing I want you to do is take off them goddamn skinny jeans, put them in the nearest fucking burn barrel and get rid of them, okay? After that, you're on the path to being a real man. But if you want to woo or attract beautiful women, okay, all you got to do is have a little bit of dance skills, a little bit of cooking skills. That's all you got to do. Get rid of the skinny jeans, get in your kitchen, learn some basic cooking skills by trial and error. That's how you're going to learn. Dance skills, hit a couple shots of Jack Daniels and hit the floor. And your body will just start moving to the music. And it really don't matter because most everybody in the club is drinking anyhow and they don't know how to dance either. It's just whether or not you got the balls to get out there on the dance floor and try to woo some of these beautiful ladies around the world. That's all you got to do. You know? It ain't rocket science, folks. It's just nature. Just like my cooking skills right here. It's just all about nature.
You want ketchup?
Give that boy a little ketchup. He might want some Lee and Perrins. Papa gonna put some Lee and Perrins on there. Maria requested ketchup. Good, no good, or delicious? Not delicious? Need salt or what?
No. Like something like sour.
Sour? That's appropriate temperature for Sammy Light. You look at that right there. I mean, they're ice cold at my Sorry store, but I threw that. It's the third one. It's going down the hatch. But look at that. That's the appropriate temperature for a beer right there. My gosh. Folks, just finished that meal. I gotta be honest with you. That meal was absolutely horrible. We got a scale of good, no good, and delicious, and she gave it a good. In other words, it means it's edible, right? I'm giving it a no good. That shit was horrible. The flavor combination with the tuna and the selection of vegetables, I don't recommend it. Don't try that shit at home. I mean, I think if I was to do it over, I would go in with a butter, garlic, white wine sauce, and it'd probably be delicious. But I went in there with the soy sauce and the oyster sauce with that tuna. I ain't doing that shit again. But like my grandma said, by God, you'll eat it and you'll like it because it'll make. What you think, baby? Be honest, how bad is it?
It's not bad.
I think it's pretty bad.
Not for me. This is already too late.
So it's edible, but it was not delicious.
Nope.
Yeah, for me it was horrible, but I ate it. I'm not gonna complain about food. Maria's focusing on the rice.